Verify and allow. Afternoon, there will be more disturbance. Yesterday I wrote the exam well.
Sir.
How is the paper?
Yes,
How
sir.
did you feel?
Easy, sir.
Anybody got 80 plus like that? 70. 80 plus anybody are there? Okay. 70 plus? Okay. 60 plus? Why, man?
I got sir 60 plus.
Only one person, huh?
No, sir. One boy got 70 plus also.
So, what is the highest one class has? 70, yeah?
78.
Total? Anybody got above 250, yeah?
235.
235. That 78 per marks will only 235. Pardon? That 78 marks boy only?
So that 78 fellow got more or less marks.
Pardon?
Sir,
Hello?
that 78 boy marks
He is not
14th
225,
rank.
sir. He is less. That 78 marks.
Huh?
That 78 boy got 14th rank, sir.
Why he lost in maths and chemistry, yeah?
No, sir, in chemistry.
No, sir, in chemistry.
Okay, again, because you are beginners, most of the people doesn't know how to attempt a paper. How much time you are sparing for maths, man?
1 hour max.
Chemistry?
1 hour.
Chemistry
Half an
also.
hour. Sir, half an hour chemistry.
See, chemistry, this is the speed, otherwise you cannot stay in the competition. Only 30 minutes. Because organic, inorganic is the main part. Physical, even if you don't know, also nobody bothers. Rarely 4 or 5 questions will come. 20 questions from inorganic, organic only. So, chemistry 30. Maths try to finish in 50 minutes because it's all formula based on, Agreed. Then you have some time for physics. Okay, at least 60 minutes you take, then you have 1.5 hours for physics. By attempting like that, if you get 70 plus here, maths if you get 80 plus here or 70 plus, then you will be considered in the race. 200 plus you will get. Okay, answering 1 hour chemistry, See, chemistry you answer for 1 hour, maths 1 hour and a half or 1 hour 20 minutes.
Sir, your voice is not.
And physics suppose you answer for 40 minutes. You may get chemistry 80 plus, maths 80 plus, physics 100% you'll get 30 plus. Now the total is 190. You'll reduce. Understood this?
Yes,
Followed
sir.
this or not?
Followed, sir.
This is the universal timings of any person. And if you are good at maths, you save some more time here also. 50 minutes. If you ideally 50 minutes, if you can do, it will be better. Here, I'm not asking you because I am physics, because I am also from MTech. I do have knowledge of math. Writing examination is different. Having knowledge is different. Similarly, teaching is different. Having knowledge is different. Teaching means we should within the time train you to write the final examination in that pattern. That is our duty. We are not here to make you scientists. Okay. So teaching is different. Knowledge is different. That is again that is a different aspect. For example, nuclear engineering I am doing. That is for R&D. My self-knowledge, that research and all. There is no utility for IIT. So please stick to this. And definitely you're in the beginning stage. I think at least you are getting now 50, 40, I think. Try to improve that performance. Beginners, no, it will take some time to adjust. But now remember, you concentrate only on chemistry and maths and last physics. Forget about any NIT or IIT. There is no use also. And one more drawback is even in engineering, you'll face a lot of problems. Even in engineering, because backbone of this is engineering also will face problem. So don't take such step of leaving physics. It is difficult, no doubt. Because it is difficult, only I am going slow, trying always to ensure that you do. And one more thing is, remember, world over, the situation is this only. That is, the pandemic is there, classes are online. For you, at least, it's like I'm giving a chance to ask doubt immediately. Okay, because it's like you don't have the so other people only hearing, there's no question of asking doubts. So compared to this, you're in a better position. Second is, don't think about that college will reopen, everything will be repeated. If you are like that, I think instead of writing 2022, you can write in 2024. Because when the pandemic reduces, nobody knows. And don't believe in rumors. Colleges, schools will start. Again, the corona cases will, after Diwali, throughout the world, second wave already started. Again, lockdown has started. So second wave will also will be there till a vaccine is brought out and 130 crores of population of our own country. Forget about all nations. Only India 130 crores people are there. We have to vaccinate all that. The same scenario should be throughout the world. All this takes a lot of time. So please understand that you have to go ahead like this. Only thing is seeing all this, I am going slow. You have any doubt you can ask. And don't compare two subjects. Maths is totally different. The formula you are substituting, reading, mugging up that formula, substituting that. Chemistry also, no reasoning is there now for maths and chemistry. What is the reasoning? Why you have to do this means to get the answer. There is no reasoning. For example, in physics, four equations are there. V is equal to u plus at, S is equal to ut plus half at square. V square minus u square equals to AC, Sn equals u plus a into n minus half. With that, we are starting kinematics from one dimension, two dimensions, and this is projectile motion. Motion along x-axis, y-axis, projectile motion. And a bit of addition of vectors. There's not much things to memorize. How to apply with it? That logic only. Physics builds you logic. Have some patience. Don't get worried or panic. Still time is there. And every person who got IIT are like you in the beginning. Slowly we try to motivate, mold them. Okay. And the preparation modules is first thing is be regular to classes, notes, HC Verma already posted this. Remember?
Yes, sir.
Narayana. This is, you'll have hints. So topic wise they'll be giving. So it will be easier for you. After that, resonance. Okay. After that, LN. Okay. Then motion classes. Then each topic you do. And in this, the question is how many we will do. Yes. These two gives you concepts, applications and all. This is only for speed enhancement. All these are speed modules. Now this will give you subject, how to test the speed. Start with this, 1, finish, 2, 3. The more you do, the better your rank. If you do all this, you will get less than 100 rank. You only do half of this, expect a rank below 1500. You will not do any of these, only these two. Expect a rank of below 10,000. That's all. Okay, you don't do anything, expect a no rank. Simple thing. Minimum is this concepts. This is a speed. Understood what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
These are all your competitors. These are all quota institutions. You know that now Bansal motion classes is also now called hello?
Yes, sir.
Vibrant motion classes, other name is they call Vibrant, same faculty. Almost everything if you cover, that's enough. Followed? This is because you are going to compete with national level students, not with MS students, no. So you what they are doing, you do it. Okay, only thing is we'll go slow. That's all. Why? Because you're unable to do. Understood what I'm barking?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Note down this. And this is your own interest. I cannot force you. I'll teach everything and nothing will be there in other institutions. If you look at this, why I'm giving bravely, you want every problem, you know what I have discussed in class. So try, involve, slowly struggle for whole first year. By the end, you will just improve a little bit. You will pick up the momentum in the beginning of second year. See, if you understand everything in first time and you are able to do problem, that is not IIT at all. If that is the IIT, why all these headaches will be there? Because around 14 to 15 lakhs children, right? Not a joke, no? And 10,000 seats are there. In that to get, not only getting a rank, no? You should get the best IIT. Again, computer science branch or electronics or electrical. These are the definitely the core branches, no? The cream ones. Okay, like what are the most hot cakes in the market? Computers, electrical engineering, electronics. Understood it? So getting into IIT, getting the branch you need, all this means better rank you should get. The All India first ranker will be for first call. Which branch you want? Which IIT you want to join? It will be filled. Like that order, no? Suppose you get the last rank, you'll get the last leftover seat. Your wish. Okay? It all depends upon your work. Nothing else. You are at MS or any XYZ institute, the same thing. Okay, if you finish it, sorry, I'm able to finish this within the time, I'll give some more if you want Fiji. What is there in that? Okay, Vidya Mandir. But almost, if you do this, that's enough. At least if you do these things, that's more than enough. Others also same thing, same type of problems, right? Don't follow any other thing. This is enough. Okay. Guides and all, if you follow, it will too. I gave in the beginning just for practice exposure, don't know anything. Now I stopped posting anything, only these I'll give. Okay.
Yes,
Followed?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Right. Note on this question. And don't be panicked, man, getting less marks, man. Because everybody knows that they are getting less marks, no? Finished?
No, sir.
Tell. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Somebody call. Any doubt is there?
Sir,
Andy. Tell me.
sir, I'm not understanding how to find the maximum velocity or the velocity at the highest point of a projectile, sir.
Highest velocity at the highest point is ux only, no? U cos theta.
U cos theta, sir.
That won't change, no?
Yes,
Minimum velocity is highest point because ui will be 0, no? Maximum is at the point of throwing, no?
yes, sir. Sir, but in the exam they asked velocity after 2 seconds. I'm not understanding those questions, sir.
Velocity?
After 2 seconds, if it is thrown with
Ah,
di plus 4, like that, I'm not understanding, sir. That those questions, those type.
okay.
Sir, like find the other component of velocity at after t equal to 6 seconds. Like,
Yes, sir. Like
Yes, sir,
that,
like
those
that.
questions, sir.
Yes,
And
ma'am. Note down
also,
this. Yes, ma'am. Post that question. I'll do it now. Complete this. Post that question. I only gave a paper.
Yes, sir.
Unfortunate thing is I don't have the original copy with me. System troubled, huh?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yesterday for 15 to 20 minutes, sir.
For seniors, it troubled more, it seems.
Every exam it happens, sir.
That is a boon for you know, you can escape. No? Why means seniors simply they are saying that only. Sir, system troubled. I told Afzal sir, what is this, sir?
Done, sir.
Finished?
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Done, sir.
Now you can post the questions which you have. Something you're saying, no?
Yes, sir. I will post it in doubts group now.
See here, this is, he has given this. This is 20 meters. So it will reach somewhere, for example. Okay. So when it reaches ground, if you take this as the origin, this I am taking x, any way you can take. There is no rule that you should take in this manner only. Okay. When it reaches here, you have when it reaches here, you have UIT plus this is nothing but final minus dou alpha minus G, sorry, plus G. Downward is positive, no? So here, what are they?
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Tell.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, I thought minus 20 displacement. But right,
10 you are getting, no? Great. Now length of each car is how much? Each car is how much length?
4, sir.
4 meters.
So now 10 is in between what? This is for 2 cars. This is for 3 cars, no? That means 2 cars are completed. What is the next one? Third car only, no?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
sir.
Do you agree with that?
Yes, sir. Sir, I posted a question in the doubts group, sir.
Okay. Shall I finish to turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute.
Go on, train, man. You people are all, you do namaz 5 times means God will bless you, no? That means blessings of God are with you. Next
Sir,
is, God will
sir,
bless
one
if
doubt.
your pardon?
Sir, that how you are saying that it hits third car?
2 8 meters is 2 cars, no?
Yes, sir.
12 meters is 3 cars, no? So it cannot hit the, definitely after 3 cars it cannot. So it finishes the 2 car, then the third car, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is 4 meters. This is another 4 meters. This is 4 meters. So that means it will hit somewhere here, no? Agreed. This is
Yes,
8,
sir.
2
Yes.
more. That means exactly it hits the midpoint of the third car. Then this is 2 meters. Okay. This is car
Yes.
3. This is car number 2. Car 1. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
Sir, sir, delta y should come minus 20, no?
Huh?
Delta y, sir.
Then I have taken here, see, look at this.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
I think you have taken upward. That's why y-axis I am showing like this, see.
Yes, sir, now understood.
If you take minus 20, G will be minus G. Both in our minus minus will get cancelled, no? It won't affect the result.
Yes, sir.
Should I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He says the question, with okay. He's asking fine. See, if you visualize this, some wall is there here 2 meters. This is a t equals to t. So you can take that delta y and do the problem.
T is 1 second, right?
Huh?
T is 1 second, na, sir. He gave after 1 second it triggers.
After 1 second.
So T equals 1, 1 we can write now, sir. T equals 1.
Huh?
So we can write T equals 1 now, sir.
No, yes, I am writing here. Haven't I taught you this method? The paper appears to be tough. Is it tougher? See? Next question. Understood this method?
Yes, sir.
Shall I return this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, want to tell question like after 2 seconds the ball is catcher by a person. He should run X distance.
Yes, man, post that, man. It is there available.
Yes, sir. 1
No,
minute,
sir.
sir. I'm posting, sir. 1 minute.
Because I should remember the data now. This is HCRM question. Obliquely means it's some angle. This is what he has given. Am I right? See,
Yes, sir.
just visualize, man. This is 20 meter per second. He says Rmax speed is given. Okay, u square by, for maximum range, what is the angle?
45 degrees.
45 degrees.
So he says that this is 45 degrees. For maximum range is asked, no? Now another player is there at a distance of 24. So what is R max? Can you tell?
U square by G is equal to 24.
40. Okay. That means this is a player. This ball follows a path like this. This player has to catch here. That means this fellow, this is 40 meters now.
Yes, sir.
Now that fellow is 24 meters. So how much distance he has to run? This fellow has to run how much distance?
16 meters.
40 minus 24. 16 meters he has to run. Okay, by the time it reaches, what is the time of flight of the ball? (2√2 seconds). In that time, therefore, this person, velocity of person or man, into time is nothing but 16. No? So you get this velocity of man or not?
Yes, sir.
4 into 2. 4√2. Agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Easy only, no?
Yes, sir.
Now you are feeling easy, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Physics is simple, man. You are getting scared. The reason is you people are learning that maths and chemistry by mugging formulas. So you want to do that in physics. It won't. Maths also has reasoning. Chemistry also has reasoning. You people are not asking the reason and all. That's why they're giving formula. Syllabus is over. Now physics also you want formulas. Where from will get? You know method you followed now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just
Sir,
a
in
minute.
one question, I got answer as tan theta is to 1, sir, but answer is showing cot theta is to 1. I'm not
What is that?
understanding that, sir.
What is that question?
Particle is thrown with a velocity u at an angle theta from the horizontal. Another particle is thrown with the same velocity at angle theta from the vertical. He's asking the ratio of times of flight of the two particles.
Do you cos sin theta by g, but do you sin 90 minus theta by g?
Yes,
That
sir. So
means
tan
sin
theta is to
theta,
1 now, sir.
no, tan theta is to 1.
Yes, sir, but answer is showing us cot theta is to 1, sir. I wrote tan theta is to 1, sir.
Yes, sir. I also wrote that. I got wrong.
Yes, sir. Same, sir.
Tan theta is to 1 option is there.
Yes, sir. There, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is typographical alert. Post it in the group bonus. You have some common group, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we need bonus because the answer in the error in the answer.
Sir, and another one question also, sir. Velocity at maximum height of a projectile is half of its velocity of initial projection. Then angle of projection is asking, sir.
60 only, no?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer you gave?
You gave answer 76 degrees, sir.
What
The
is the
option he
question?
gave, sir. 70
Yes, sir,
What
yes.
is it?
velocity at the highest point is half at the initial projection, na?
Yes, sir. So 60 degree only will come.
60. Option is there?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
option is there 60 degrees.
Claim for bonus.
Yes, sir.
Problem is
Sir, how
that
to do
we are
that, sir? I didn't understand. I got 30 degrees answer.
this one. Correct
Yes,
or
sir.
not? This is correct
Yes,
or
sir. You are
not?
correct, sir. You are correct, sir. But I'm not understanding how to do it.
How to do it? What is highest point? Velocity at highest point, man. At the highest point, what you have velocity?
U cos
What?
U
theta.
cos theta.
See, here you have only u cos theta. Here you have u cos theta and u sin theta. Here Vy is 0, no? So this
Right,
is the
sir?
maximum velocity is point of projection. Minimum is at highest point because one component will become 0, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because velocity is nothing but root over ux square, vx square plus vy square. If both are there, speed will be there. If one component is 0, that means it's like minimum, no?
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
So like that, after exam, you ask some doubts. Improve, no problem. Nobody will scold you. Okay, you try, give your best effort. Because you cannot run away, no? This is life. How far you'll run away? This is H. Now I want this to fall here. What is U we need? Visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can get the launching speed. First use I'll take this as positive. So this reaches here at t equals to t. Agreed?
Sir, at the final point, what is the y coordinate?
NH, H na?
H goes down. No, sir?
This is NH.
Sir, x coordinate is nh.
NH. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay.
NH comma 0 na, sir.
Hmm?
NH
Yes, sir.
comma 0
Y
will come, sir.
Pardon?
NH comma 0 last
y
point.
coordinate. Y coordinate
This y coordinate, no?
remains same
Yes,
throughout
sir.
the projectile. Yes, sir.
Correct, sir.
That will be 0 na, sir.
Y man, this is x. Y,
This
this
is
is
not
x. No?
axis.
This is the origin, no? See,
Yes,
you
sir.
are
Yes, sir. Yes,
projecting
sir.
here
Okay,
to
sir.
here, then follow this.
Yes, sir.
Just
Yes, sir.
subtract
Yes.
that one, delta y. This is delta x again.
No, sir. I thought the down was origin, sir.
No, I kept here. Final one is what is? Again, it lands. It has two components, no? One is x component. Again, y component. There is no initial velocity in the y direction. Okay. So we have v bar.
Sir, how you are
Hmm. Hello?
Launching speed is Vx or Vy.
Pardon?
Sir, launching speed is Vx or Vy.
Downward speed is?
Launching speed, sir. Launching speed. Is it Vx or Vy, sir?
Launching means thrown, projection speed. Landing is this, where it falls. This is the launching
Yes, sir.
speed, no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the landing speed.
Sir, landing speed is under root of n square plus 4 by 2 into gh.
Yes, yes.
Sir, that is total speed, not sir, velocity. It is
Yes,
the
man.
magnitude, right?
Yes. See, this is the landing velocity. We need speed. This is landing speed.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
When it falls like this, see, it has two components, no? It
Yes,
hits
sir.
like this. So it has x component as well as y component. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Finished?
1 minute.
Completed, sir.
One minute, sir. 1 minute. Done, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Note on this.
Done, sir.
Finished? Completed?
Yes, sir.
See here, as you know, this aeroplane is moving in which direction? So So whenever any particle is released, it will also have U1, you know.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see what happens exactly. What is delta x man for the plane? Now suppose if I take this as the origin, at any instant, this is t equals to 0, x is 0, y equals 0. Okay. This I'll call x of plane. This is delta y is how much? 0.
Zero.
Why? Because plane is moving in
Horizontal.
Agreed till here. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Come back to the particle. When this is released, if I apply this, x minus 0, because they have the same thing now,
Yes, sir.
same u. So here this is 0. It is having an acceleration in the downward direction or not?
Minus. Yes.
Yes, sir.
I have taken downward positive, check up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means the plane may go anywhere. Particle will also have same x coordinate, but what will change? The y coordinate will change or not? That means the particle will follow like this or not? That means always it will be below the plane only, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At any time, what will change? Only
Coordinate.
this will be moving like this. Now you can see always this will be having the same thing as this. What is that? X of plane, and these are same now.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
That means always the particle appears to be below the plane only, no?
Yes, sir.
So you can say that x of particle with respect to plane is x of particle, x of plane. Both are same. Agreed?
Yes,
Because
sir.
both are ut minus ut is 0. Y of particle with respect to plane is y of particle minus y of plane. This is half gt square. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
That means for the pilot, the particle will feel that always it is moving down away from him, no?
Sir.
Understood how I am analyzing? Like that, you should interpret a problem instead of doing it blindly. Shall I turn this?
Done, sir.
Hello, boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means for the person in the plane, see, this is there in HCR question. Per person in a plane, agreed? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now coming back to our problem, the aeroplane, no? What is the velocity here? 30 meters he gave. This is the H, no? The particle is dropped. Now take this as the y-axis. This is the x-axis. This is nothing but horizontal projectile only, no? So the particle will come over here and fall here. Same. T equals to 0. Here T equals to T. X equals this J, whatever it is. Y equals 50. Now what is asking? Time of flight. How to get the time of flight, man? Delta Y information is there. When it hits the ground, final Y coordinate, G is downwards. Do you agree with this? Hello.
Yes, sir.
This is anyhow 50 on R we should find. What is delta X, man? Delta Y. Finally, R initially 30, time is root 10. There is no acceleration. So the particle, second question is that only, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Velocity is asking. At the time of striking, find out what is there in this. This is Ux is 30, Ax is 0. If you want, you can find this. Speed, no? 1000. 1000 means 1900, that is
100 into 10, sir.
10 root 19. Okay.
Sir.
Displacement of the foot package is asking. Displacement is nothing but this is nothing but Ri. Agreed. So modulus of displacement is 900 into 10, 2500. Great. This is 10 root 115. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Easy, Anna?
Yes, sir.
But in exam you want to, that is the problem. Don't get scared, man. Especially physics, you should not. You should love it. Because in engineering and all, you need no thinking. You should know. No, why they kept in BPC also? Because this develop the logic. Once logic is there, the doctor can perform any surgery, anything. Engineer visualization you'll get from physics subject. Visualization skills. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Got this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Minute, sir.
Hello?
Complete, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Wait, sir, please.
Finished?
One
What time you have to go for prayer?
5 o'clock.
15.
3 o'clock, sir.
No, 5, huh?
Yes, sir.
More 5 minutes there, sir. 5 to 10 minutes.
Then shall
Sir,
we
today
continue
no AIMS
tomorrow?
class.
Huh?
Today no AIMS class. AIMS class.
And I cancel for your sake.
Okay.
Morning, net did not come. Again, your class will be missing. AIMS is little bit easy compared to IIT. No? I can compensate. That's not a big issue. IIT is very difficult.
Sure.
Right then again, if you start anything, it will be 5, 10 again. We'll continue tomorrow as usual in the morning. Again, don't think 3:30. Once again, I'm saying tomorrow 9 to 10:30 as usual. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Again, don't say yesterday you took like that. Today the network problem has come. Okay. Right then.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Hello, sir.
Tell man.
Sir, will you be free now, sir? By 10 minutes. After 10 minutes.
Tell. What do you want?
No, sir. After 10 minutes, will you be free?
What for?
No, sir. I just need to call you.
Okay.
Okay,
Not
sir.
after
Thank you,
10
sir.
minutes. Call at night. After 10 minutes, I have another class.
Okay, sir. Sir, by night, what timing, sir?
10 o'clock.
Okay, sir.
You sleep, huh?
No, sir. No, sir.